Hey everyone, I am Varsha Lodhi and I am thrilled to share my experience with you. As a computer science engineering graduate from M.Phil Institute of Technology, Bhopal, I understand the struggle that comes with stepping into college life. Before I began my academic journey, I faced a lots of challenges, particularly with communication and language skills. I was often hesitant, nervous, and struggled a lot in expressing myself. However, everything changed when I entered into M.Phil College. I discovered a newfound inspiration to develop my language skills. The journey started with unwavering support of our dedicated faculty members who understand the significance of communication in our field. They went extra mile in bringing in exceptional teachers like Willys Sam, who conducted high quality communication classes. You might be thinking, what was my approach to improve communication and language skills? So, my approach was straightforward yet effective. I immersed myself in English wherever I could. I actively started conversations with my friends. I practiced daily communication and I seized every opportunity to enhance my skills. And my advice to all the students who are stepping into college is very simple. Don't just focus on your hard skills, pay equal attention to your soft skills, especially communication, because it is the key to unlocking incredible opportunities into your career. So, you might be wondering how long it took me to improve my skills and whether it was an easy journey or not. Let me tell you, it only requires time, dedication and consistent effort. There were moments जब मुझे लगा कि ये तो बहुत difficult है, तुम नहीं कर पाओगी. But with the right guidance and persistence, I made significant strides. And believe me, every ounce of efforts invested in improving my skills is entirely worth it. To all the incoming students, I want to emphasize that your journey will have its own share of challenges. But with the determination and right approach, you can conquer all of them and emerge stronger than ever. Embrace growth and seize every opportunity that comes to your way. And never underestimate the power of continuous progress and improvements. I wish all the students good luck on your journey ahead.